In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a course on Duolingo, step by step. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, you can use either the official Duolingo website on your computer or the Duolingo mobile app on your phone. The process is very similar on both versions. In this tutorial, we will use the web version. Open your browser and visit the official Duolingo website through Duolingo. Tap I already have an account. Then log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. Near the top area of the screen, you'll see a flag icon. Move your mouse over that flag icon to open the language menu. After that, look for the plus icon that says Add a new course. Then click on it. You'll now see a section where you can choose the language you currently speak. If you speak English, make sure English is selected. If you speak another language, open the drop-down menu and choose the correct option. For example, if you speak Spanish, select Spanish from the list. Once that's set, browse through the available languages and choose the course you want to add. For this example, let's say you want to learn Korean. Click on the language to continue. Duolingo will then ask how much of the language you already know. This helps place you at the right learning level. If you're completely new, you can choose the beginner option. If you already know some of the language, you can select a higher level instead. After choosing your level, click Continue. Your new course will now be added to your Duolingo account. Now to view your added course. Go to Dashboard, hover to Profile, and you will see your courses, achievement, and statistics. That's it. You have now successfully added a new course on Duolingo. Hopefully this guide helped, and thanks for watching.